What's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first video you've clicked on, I'm Diana and I'm the creator of Money Boss Mama, where I teach women how... The heater was on. I'm Diana. I'm the creator of Money Boss Mama, where I teach women how to save money, pay off debt, shift their money mindsets, as well as stick to a budget. And today is my payday, which means that it's time to do a down payment transfer and update. And for those of you who have never watched a down payment update of mine, my second goal of 2021 was to save $10,000 for a down payment on a duplex so that I can house hack, which is me living in one side and renting out the other, and the tenants rent hopefully covers my mortgage. So essentially I'm living rent free. But I get paid every 2 weeks, and so today's payday, let's go ahead and check in and see how well I did. So last time we left off, I was at $640. Like I said before, I get paid bi-weekly, and I'm only using my day jobs, my earnings from my day job, to help me complete this goal as of right now. So $320 from each paycheck is automatically deposited into my Ally High Yield Savings account, and I set up the balance that I have into buckets. So that goes into the home bucket. Right now, we are sitting at $960. And so knowing me, I'm probably going to add $40 to get it to $1,000. I don't know why my mind does this, but I'm hoping to scrape up $40 so that I can get it to 4 digits just to make me feel better when it comes to looking at the balance. But anyway, I am hoping to get this goal knocked out by early next year. If I'm feeling crazy, the end of this year. That way I can go ahead and move out of the duplex that I'm in now and get started on my home property search, get started on that home buying process search. And yes, I am going to take you guys along with me. And I'm sorry, wow, I meant to say this in the beginning. You may notice 2 things. So first thing, yes, I am in the same outfit as I was in the previous video because I'm trying to be a real YouTuber and batch content, and I don't have a lot of clothes. Someone did mention in a comment from my last video that was it one before the last, that they wanted to see if I would do a video on like my wardrobe. I do have kind of like a capsule wardrobe where I just use the same pieces and just like change the top or the bottom. So I think that I might do that video just to show you guys how I make my outfits work with my budget. But also my desk has been kind of wiped clean. You guys will not see the savings chart behind me for a while because I have this earthy thing going on in my room. I'll show you a picture. And all the pink was just throwing me off. It was throwing off my vibe. It had to go. So I'm trying to get into like earth tones, like grays, greens, and this is all I could afford right now. This is all I could afford. So bear with me if you see me making videos in front of my bare, sad looking desk. But excitingly, I am gonna do like a little cash envelope stuffing section because I just went to the bank to stuff my cash envelopes, and I am going to check in and see how well I'm doing on my singles challenge. I will link the singles challenge up above so you can see what I'm talking about. But anytime I get change back from the cash that I have in my cash envelope, I do set aside the ones and I save them, and I'm going to put them into my emergency fund when my one stack gets really full. But let's go ahead and get to stuffing these cash envelopes. Okay, so first I'm going to do a check-in when it comes to the singles challenge to see how many ones that I was able to save in change. And these ones here I found in my top drawer this week that was just kind of rolled up into a ball in this little black pouch. So I'm just going to include it whenever I get done counting out how much I actually came under from my last paycheck. This 5 here, I'm just going to add it to the stack because I don't feel like making change. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so $20 I came under budget by, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, for $25. Okay, so this all together with the ones that I found and the ones that I came under budget, it is $25. And I recently put my other stack in the bank. That was around $110. But this is what I came under. This was from last paycheck, I believe. And I do not remember how much it was. So how much did I just say? 25? Yeah, I think it was 25. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so that was 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that means that I have $36 that's going to be going into my popcorn tin tub, and I just put my loose coins and my ones in the popcorn tin tub. And then whenever this stack gets too full, I'm going to deposit it into the bank so that I can put it into my emergency fund. So I'll leave that off to the side. And so for the cash envelopes, I just use cash for fun money, household expenses like laundry detergent, shampoo, soap, things like that. And flex is for beauty. I do have a small beauty budget that mainly just goes for skincare. That's often what I just use it on. But I did actually go to the bank this time before I actually recorded. So we'll go ahead and stuff these. So first, for fun, I do budget $120. That is for me and my kids. So all three of us are using the 120, and that's typically all used up by the time the next paycheck rolls around. So 20, 40, 60, 81, and I do want to use 2 tens for the 20. If I could open this thing. All right, so that's good to go. For household, I budget $40 per paycheck. And then for flex, I budget beauty. I budget $30 per paycheck. So $60 a month. And voila, we are ready for the next pay period. And then once again, any ones that I get back from making purchases out of these 3 cash envelopes, I will set it to the side because my intent is to save them. All right, so that wraps up this video. Hopefully this was super entertaining to you guys, and I will catch you all in the next one.